project like Nokian where you're hiring hundreds of people at a time, you're literally impacting thousands.
Nokian Tires has been great. I've had nothing but really good experiences. I've met a lot of great people.
There's no words I can say to describe how much better this is than places I've been. This is a company you can grow with, and they're willing to help you do that.
People of Ray County, the people of Dayton, thank you for this community and the role you play in it in attracting a business like this.
I'm proud to make and drive Nokian Tires.
We just want to keep continuing to build the company so Dayton can continue to grow.